Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, CD player, power windows, compass, security system, electronic stability control, trip computer, fog lights, Uconnect hands-free group, tachometer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.